Debt can be a double-edged sword. While it can help you achieve your financial goals, it can also become a trap that leads to a downward spiral of financial stress. In this video, we will explore the dark truth about debt and its impact on your financial well-being. The dark truth about debt. The first dark truth about debt is that it can be extremely expensive. When you borrow money, you are essentially paying for the privilege of using someone else's money. This means that you have to pay back not only the principal amount but also the interest and other fees associated with the loan. The second dark truth about debt is that it can lead to a cycle of never-ending payments. When you have debt, a significant portion of your income goes towards paying off your debts. This leaves little money for savings, investments, and other important expenses. As a result, you may find yourself struggling to make ends meet, which can lead to more borrowing and even higher levels of debt. The third dark truth about debt is that it can negatively impact your credit score. When you have high levels of debt or missed payments, it can lower your credit score, which can make it more difficult to obtain credit in the future. This can make it challenging to get approved for loans, credit cards, or even a mortgage. The impact of debt. The impact of debt on your finances can be severe. It can lead to high levels of stress, anxiety, and even depression. When you are in debt, you may find yourself constantly worrying about how you will make ends meet, which can take a toll on your mental and physical health. Debt can also limit your financial options. When you have a lot of debt, you may not have the flexibility to pursue new opportunities, such as starting a business, traveling, or pursuing further education. This can limit your potential and make it difficult to achieve your goals. How to get out of debt. If you are in debt, there are several steps you can take to get out of it. The first step is to create a budget and prioritize paying off your debts. This may involve cutting back on expenses, such as dining out or entertainment, and finding ways to increase your income, such as taking on a part-time job. It is also important to avoid taking on more debt while you are trying to pay off your existing debt. This may involve closing credit card accounts or avoiding new loans. Finally, consider reaching out to a credit counseling agency or financial advisor for help. They can provide guidance on managing your debt and creating a plan to get out of it. Conclusion. In conclusion, debt can be a dangerous trap that leads to financial stress and uncertainty. By understanding the dark truth about debt, you can take steps to avoid falling into this trap and achieve financial stability. Remember, it is never too late to take control of your finances and get out of debt. Thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel.